Hi guys, I am back again with another Magic Bra product with you guys, and this time I have two different Magic Bra products which are going to help you feel beautiful from outside as well as from inside. So without wasting your time, let's get started and let me show you guys at how this magic product is going to give you that magic lift and help support and adjust your curves. So let's get started. Now here I have the packet which I got from Magic Bra, and you guys can see there's actually two bras which I got. And if you guys remember, a couple of months back I filmed another video related to this product which was slightly different from this one, and I have been using that product and I can 100% tell you guys that I absolutely love that product. And I have got like such amazing support and the adjustment from that particular product that I thought I need to get another product from this particular brand. And that's why this time I bought actually two, and I'm very excited to show these two magic bras to you guys. So let's begin, but before moving forward, let me tell you a little bit about the brands. You guys know that what this brand is, and then why I particularly wanted to talk about this brand and their product. So Magic Bra was like founded in 2019 by a women team, and then definitely to support and keeping in mind the women product. So that's why they came up with the idea of creating a bra which can help any women feel very supported and very adjusted whenever they're wearing a bra. It doesn't have to be pokey, or whenever there's some quality when you wear certain sorts of bras, you feel like, oh my god, this is super tight and this is like pinching me, this is poking me. Sometimes the wires come off from the curve. So this particular brand came up with their product where they wanted the women to feel like more, they're more confident after wearing it, feeling more beautiful inside and outside, and giving you that push-up lift and just supporting your curves. So I think that was an amazing and brilliant idea, that a brand which was particularly launched by a women team for a woman. So let's get started. So here I have basically two bras, and they have multiple colors first of all. So let's start with this one. So this bra is called as Magic Seamless Two-Tone Wire-Free Bra, and it has like certain cup size and then the band size which you can choose. So cup size is one size which is the standard, but the band size they have shared according to your band, which is medium, large, XL, double XL, triple XL, 4XL. So you can pick it accordingly. The good part is they also have like a size chart, so you can buy according to your size and compare it. And they have different sorts of colors. The one is black, another one is blue, then there's a green one. The one that I got is in black color, which you guys can see here. I mean, the quality is super soft first of all, and I really like the details which is happening on near the cup area, you guys can see. So it will definitely give you like cup, it's like a top, crop top kind of an effect. It's not giving me a bra kind of an effect. Some bras when you wear, you feel very, not confident wearing them like that. But I think this one is, because of the design and all the quality, just giving me more like, a short crop top kind of an effect. And then of course the quality is like super, super soft. And in some of the bras, I feel like when there's like these curves or these designs are created, after a while they become like very, very, the clothes from inside starts coming up. Or sometimes these things, like especially for a person like me who has a very sensitive skin, if I wear something, I feel like if it touches my skin, I feel like very irritated, like it starts irritating my skin. But for this one, I would say the quality is super, super nice, and it's not, the cloth is not coming out from here, you guys can see. And look at all those details, you guys, so beautiful. Like they have definitely done a color combination, like a contrast kind of a thing, which I am absolutely loving it. So very beautiful. I'll wear this and I'll show you guys. Also, the good part is they have like a multiple hook here, so you can adjust them according to your size. So these are like the multiple hooks that they have given, which is very beautifully designed, keeping in mind about the different body sizes, different cup sizes, different band sizes. So you can definitely just adjust them according to the push you need. And they have like given 4 different hooks. Amazing. And then also from here, sometimes they have like these wider, the straps which you don't feel comfortable wearing underneath a top, like if you're wearing a off shoulder, like not even off shoulder, like a top like this. I would say I'm wearing a crop top right now. So if I want to wear like something which can easily be wore underneath, I would say the band size, like the strap size, this one is a very good and standard size, which I really appreciate wearing underneath any of my tops. But if a bras which have like a more width, or I would say a more wider straps, that I don't prefer. I don't know why I don't like them, but this one I think it is really, really nice. So I'll wear this and I'll show you guys. So I'm right now wearing the Magic Seamless two-tone wire-free bra, and you guys can see it looks really, really comfortable. I just got changed, and you guys can see this is the one that I'm wearing right now, and it's very, very comfortable. And as I was saying, that you can wear them underneath such tops. I mean, see, it's not even visible, looks super comfortable, and then you can just wear it and then, go outside, and you can also just wear it like as a crop top, which I feel like doing it because it's very, very comfortable and it's not tight. After wearing it, I don't feel like it's tight. It's very supported and it's very comfortable. The cloth is very, very nice. It's not irritating my skin, which is a good part. More about this product is this is, like I mentioned, some Magic Seamless two-tone wire-free bra. It is perfect fusion of comfort, style, and elegance. It is crafted with meticulous precision. The exceptional launch piece is a celebration of your curves. That's what it is written on the website. So I'm just reading it for you guys. And it has a comfort and it has a unique style, which I definitely agree that this particular bra has a very, very unique style. It does not look like a bra. It definitely looks like, a crop top. So if I'm wearing a blazer or something, I just want to throw up something underneath. So I can wear this bra and just go out. So I feel like that the design is very, very unique. And it has a very seamless design. It's charming two-tone plates, every two-tone palette. Every detail of this bra is designed to elevate your comfort, enhance your natural beauty, and empower you to feel more confident in your skin. Now, like I said, like they have this beautiful contrast which is going on. Then I also like, you guys can see it's not see-through. First of all, if you feel like this cloth is see-through, no, it's not see-through. It's the particular design, the lines which is happening here, and it is soft. Don't worry about like the quality and everything. I would say it's very, very soft. Now let's move on to the next product. Now the next one that I have is this one here. It is in a different color from the first one, and this is how it looks basically. And this particular bra is called as Magic Full Coverage Seamless Comfy Plus Size Bra. I don't know why they've said this plus size, maybe because of the cup size or something. I am not sure. I have to wear it and then show it to you guys. I really like the design of this one as well. This is the ultimate comfort bra, the one that will make you feel like you're wearing nothing at all, which I totally agree, because first of all, this is more softer than the first one that I showed you guys. Like it is very, very, I mean, the quality is like, it's very soft and it just feels like actually you're nothing wearing, and it's like very comfortable and just good for your skin. That's how I'm gonna describe this particular cloth. I don't know what this is called, but it's very, very comfortable, and its seamless design and naturally shaped contour curves ensure that you get the perfect fit without any discomfort or irritation. It has the soft fabric which will care your skin, leaving you feeling pampered and cared for. The best part that these bras are made with highest quality material, ensuring long-lasting comfort and durability. You can trust that you're getting a product that will stand the test of time while also providing you with the comfort and support that you need. Now, they're saying that you can wear this full day. It's not like you have to just wear it when you're, for any certain, let's say if you're going to a gym or if you're into a fitness clothes, you can also wear this because it gives you a very good support. And also the quality and the fabric is super, super soft, which I am saying again and again because I can feel it. It's very soft. If you guys can see, like the cloth is very soft. And then another thing is they also have like a different hook panels. You guys can see like four, and you can just attach the hooks on depending on the push you need, which is very, very nice. Now coming on to the design, this also has this very unique design which is kind of like creating like a U kind of a design, U V in between something, so very comfortable I would say. And then also like this kind of like little mesh thing which is happening in between, so very beautifully crafted. And then it also has like different colors, so if you want to buy, you don't have to get the same color, you can buy in different colors. And again, the straps, see, the straps are like super nice. And then I love the contrast thing which is happening, gray and then darker gray color. So it's not like, wearing just one color. The contrast which is happening is very beautifully designed, which you can see at the back as well. And then the straps are super, super thin, which I can wear underneath this top as well. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about more about this bra and then the colors it has to offer. So this also come in multiple. One is black, then the gray, which I'm showing you guys right now, then also ivory, and then pink. You can get any color depending upon your choice. And when it comes to the size, it has a standard cup size. And then on the band size, it has medium, large, XL, double XL, triple XL, 4XL, and then 5XL, 6XL. Oh my God. This one has like a more larger, bandwidth. So if someone who has like a bigger cup, they can go for this bra. Maybe the other one also have it. Maybe they're out of stock, but this one is definitely, it'll give you a more band, the width, and then the if you have a bigger cup, so you can definitely go for it. Another thing is they give you a hassle-free return. You can easily return the product if you are not comfortable, if you want to like do a replacement or return, so you can definitely reach out to the team and then you can return the product, which is very, very nice. And they also give you some certain discounts. If you buy two, they give you 5%, like so and so, which you can check on their website, which I'm going to be adding on the description as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and wear these and show you guys how they look. Now the second one, which is Magic Full Coverage Seamless Comfy Plus Size Bra, that is I'm wearing right now. And I would say this is more comfortable. I would say, I think because of the quality of the bra, I feel like it's more comfortable. And I don't know why, it has a different feeling than the first one that I wore. And I feel like this is like more comfortable. And then of course you can adjust the bands, and you guys can see I'm wearing underneath. It is I mean, I don't know. It has a different feel, and I'm saying this again and again. And it obviously gives you a more push and more lift, and that I can see, I can feel. So, if you ask me which one's my favorite amongst both of them, I would say the second one, which is this one right now, which I'm wearing. The first one is also nice, but this has to be my favorite. Alright, you guys, so here were these two products which I wanted to show you guys, and I was super happy buying them. I absolutely love the quality of both of these. And of course, the second one has to be my favorite, which I'm saying again and again, because after wearing, I felt it was like more, I could adjust it more and I felt more confident in the second one. And it was, the cloth was basically, the quality of the cloth was so soft. And so it was, that's why it was making me feel more comfortable. So yeah, that was all about today's, the products that I wanted to show you guys. If you guys are interested in buying any of the bras from their website, I'm going to be sharing their website link in the description so you can check them out. And I would 100% recommend all the women watching this video that you should definitely at least buy one product from their website, and you will feel a huge difference as I feel after wearing them. And it's like a green signal from me, so definitely check them out. And also they have like a good deal going on their website. They offer certain discount codes, certain discounts, 15%, 5%, depending upon the kind of products you buy, like buy one, buy two, or buy three. So definitely check them out. So let's go ahead and end this video right here. I hope you guys this video was helpful and I shared a little bit about this product. And of course, if you have any questions, please make sure you guys comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video, but till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.